As we get older, everyday tasks can start to feel a little more draining. It's not that we can't do them, it's just that our energy is more precious now. That's why learning how to save energy throughout the day isn't just smart, it's empowering. At Healthy Vibrance, we believe aging should come with wisdom, and that includes knowing how to move smarter, not harder. So today, we're sharing 9 daily habits that help reduce physical stress and preserve energy, especially for those of us in our 70s, 80s, and beyond. These aren't lazy habits, they're wise habits, and once you try them, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Habit number 1, sit while doing chores. This might sound like a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference, especially as we age. The truth is, standing for long stretches of time puts pressure on your joints, feet, and lower back. And when you're already dealing with stiffness, arthritis, or balance issues, that pressure adds up fast. So here's a simple rule of thumb. If you can do a task sitting down, sit down. Folding laundry. Set up a cozy corner at the table or on the couch and fold from a seated position. You'll still get the job done, but without the sore knees and achy legs. Chopping veggies or preparing meals? Use a high stool at the counter. Better yet, bring your cutting board over to the kitchen table and prep everything while seated. It's easier on your body and allows you to work at a slower, safer pace. Even small routines like brushing your teeth, styling your hair, or sorting through mail can be done while sitting. A small bench or bathroom chair can turn your morning routine into something more comfortable and less taxing. Sitting while doing chores doesn't make you lazy. It makes you smart. It's about preserving your energy for what really matters. Enjoying your day, staying mobile, and feeling good in your body. So give yourself permission to rest while you work. Your joints, back, and feet will thank you. Habit number 2. Keep essentials within arm's reach. Think of this as energy saving through smart setup. Every time you have to bend, stretch, twist, or reach up high for something, your body works harder than it needs to. That might not seem like a big deal at first, but over the course of a day or a week, it adds up. One of the best things you can do is organize your living space so that the things you use most often are right where you need them. Keep your daily medications, reading glasses, water bottle, and remote control on a tray by your favorite chair. In the kitchen, store frequently used items, like your coffee mug, spices, or cereal bowl, on a shelf at waist level, so you're not reaching over your head or crouching down low. The same goes for the bathroom. If you take morning or evening supplements, place them next to your toothbrush or on the bathroom counter. Keep your skincare, comb, or razor close together in a basket so you're not opening and closing multiple drawers. This isn't about making your home look perfect. It's about making it work for you. Small changes like using a lazy Susan in the pantry or hanging a pocket organizer on the back of a door can make daily life smoother, more efficient, and less exhausting. It may take a little time to set up, but once it's done, you'll feel the difference every single day. You'll move through your routine with more ease, less pain, and a whole lot less frustration. Habit number 3. Use a rolling cart for heavy or multiple items. Carrying things from room to room can be surprisingly draining, especially if they're heavy, awkward, or you have to make multiple trips. A laundry basket here, a stack of plates there. Before you know it, your arms are tired, your back is sore, and your balance feels off. That's where a simple rolling cart can make a world of difference. Think of it as your personal energy-saving assistant. Whether you're moving laundry to the washer, groceries from the car, or just transporting your morning tea, book, and glasses from the kitchen to the living room, a cart lets the wheels do the work so your body doesn't have to. You can find lightweight ones with multiple tiers, baskets, or even ones designed to double as mobile storage. Some people keep one in the kitchen for meal prep, another in the bathroom for daily toiletries, or a collapsible one by the door for easy unloading after errands. And let's talk safety for a second. Carrying things blocks your view, and shifts your balance. That's a fall risk. A rolling cart keeps your hands free and your load steady. So if your arms are tired, your knees ache, or you're simply done with playing household juggler, give this tool a try. It's not just practical, it's a little act of self-care built into your routine. Habit number 4, batch your tasks. One of the sneakiest ways we waste energy throughout the day? Running back and forth doing just one more thing. A quick trip to the kitchen turns into 5 trips. You sit down, then remember your glasses. You get up again. Now it's your phone, then your meds. Before long, your legs are tired and you've taken 10 trips when it could have been 1. That's where batching your tasks comes in. Instead of handling things one at a time as they come up, group similar tasks together so you can knock them out efficiently and save your energy for the fun stuff. For example, before you get up from your chair, pause and ask yourself, is there anything else I need from the kitchen while I'm up? Grab a small tote or tray and collect everything in one go. Your drink, your snack, your evening pills, your book, your charger. The same goes for chores. If you're heading to do laundry, bring all the loads at once in a rolling cart instead of making multiple trips. Wiping counters, checking the mail, refilling the bird feeder. Bundle those little errands into one outing instead of 3. It's a small mental shift, but it adds up to major physical savings. You'll feel less worn out and more in control of your day. Think of it like this: your energy is precious. Don't spend it in pennies when you can use it in dollars. Habit number 5, slow transitions. Give your body time. Gone are the days when we could hop out of bed or jump up from a chair without thinking twice. As we age, our bodies need a little more time to shift gears. Standing up too quickly can lead to lightheadedness, dizziness, or even a fall, and those can be serious. So here's a habit that can help keep you steady. Slow down your transitions. When you wake up, don't rush to stand. Take a moment to wiggle your toes, stretch your legs, and roll your ankles. Sit up slowly. Plant your feet firmly on the ground before standing. Let your blood pressure adjust before you take that first step. Same thing when getting up from a couch or chair, especially after sitting a while. Pause for a moment. Breathe. Get your bearings. If your body feels stiff, gently rock forward and back a bit before standing up. Even transitions from standing to bending over can be tricky. If you need to pick something up, brace yourself by holding onto a nearby table or use a grabber tool to avoid straining your back or losing your balance. These small pauses might feel like a hassle at first, but they're a powerful form of self-protection. They give your body the respect it deserves, and they reduce the risk of falls or sudden fatigue. So take your time. There's no rush. Every safe transition is a win, and your future self will thank you for every one of them. Habit number 6, sit to get dressed. Getting dressed might seem like a simple part of the day, but when balance isn't what it used to be or your energy dips in the morning, it can turn into a surprisingly risky activity. Trying to pull on pants or socks while standing, especially on one foot, puts you at risk for losing balance, tripping, or straining your back. And let's be honest, nobody needs to be doing acrobatics first thing in the morning. So here's the safer, smarter habit. Sit down to get dressed. Keep a sturdy chair or bench in your bedroom or bathroom just for this purpose. Put on socks, pants and shoes from a seated position where you're supported and stable. If arthritis or stiffness makes bending tough, tools like sock aids, long-handled shoe horns, and elastic shoelaces can make it even easier. And it's not just about safety, it's also about conserving energy. Standing and bending repeatedly can drain your strength before the day's even started. Sitting down helps you move through your routine with more calm, more comfort, and less strain. Remember, sitting to get dressed isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're smart enough to do things the easier, safer way. Habit number 7, use long-handled tools. One of the sneakiest ways we lose energy, and put strain on our bodies is by constantly bending, reaching, or twisting to get things done. Picking something up off the floor, reaching into the back of a cabinet, putting on shoes. These motions add up, and they wear us down faster than we realize. That's where long-handled tools come in. They're not just for people in physical therapy, they're everyday lifesavers. A reacher or grabber tool lets you pick things up off the ground without having to bend over. Long-handled dusters can help you clean ceiling fans or corners without climbing on stools. A long-handled shoe horn can help you slip on your shoes without crouching or pulling awkwardly. These tools take the pressure off your knees, hips, shoulders, and back. And they're especially helpful if you deal with arthritis, joint pain, or limited mobility. You might feel funny using them at first, but trust us, that feeling fades fast when you realize how much easier they make life. Less strain, less fatigue, fewer injuries, and more energy left for the things you actually want to do. Think of them as energy extenders. The more you let the tools do the reaching, the more strength you save for walking, cooking, visiting friends, or enjoying your hobbies. Habit number 8. Take mini rests before fatigue hits. Most of us were raised to push through tiredness. We didn't rest until the job was done. But as we age, that kind of thinking can leave us completely wiped out, or worse, increase our risk of falls, injuries, and burnout. So here's a new habit worth embracing. Rest before you feel exhausted. Think of mini rests, like charging your phone before it hits 1%. Instead of waiting until your body is screaming for a break, take short, intentional pauses throughout the day. Just 5 minutes here and there to recharge. Sit down, close your eyes, put your feet up. Take a few slow breaths. Stretch your arms or legs. Sip a glass of water. Listen to calming music. These little breaks prevent the kind of deep fatigue that can derail your whole afternoon or evening. And don't wait for big moments. Even everyday tasks like cooking, cleaning, or standing in line at the pharmacy can add up. A quick rest before or after those activities helps your body recover faster and keeps your energy more even throughout the day. Mini rests are not a sign of weakness. They're a smart strategy for protecting your energy and extending your stamina. Your body is doing its best to support you, so give it a little support in return. Habit number 9. Set up activity zones at home. One of the easiest ways to save energy at home is to make your space work with you, not against you. That's where the idea of creating activity zones comes in. An activity zone is a cozy, well-stocked area where you can do the things you enjoy or need to do, without constantly getting up to find something or move to another room. For example, if you love reading, set up a reading nook with a comfortable chair, a good lamp, a small table, your glasses, a blanket, and your current book stack. If you enjoy knitting, puzzles, or writing, keep all your supplies within reach in a nearby basket or drawer. The same goes for your medication routine. Have a little health station with your pill organizer, a water bottle, tissues, and a notepad to track your doses. Or in the kitchen, make a coffee zone with everything you need. Coffee, filters, mugs, sweetener, all in one place. These zones eliminate the constant up and down trips to gather supplies. They save your steps, reduce decision fatigue, and help you stay organized and relaxed. Plus, they make it easier to build healthy routines because everything you need is right where you need it. Creating zones doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to be thoughtful. A little planning now can save a lot of energy later. Energy conservation isn't about doing less. It's about doing things in a way that works with your body, not against it. These 9 habits may seem small, but together they can help you feel stronger, steadier, and more in control of your day. So give them a try. Your body will thank you, and so will your future self. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone else who could use a little extra ease in their daily life. We're all in this together, and at Healthy Vibrance, we're here to make aging feel a little lighter, one smart habit at a time.